Does people think they will be left to say, we believe, and you will not be tested? This is a rhetorical question. Do you think you're going to go out and say, I'm a Muslim, and Allah will not test you on the spot? What does that mean? How will I live this? When you say I'm a Muslim, when you say I'm a believer, when you start publicly looking and acting, Allah will test you with every claim. Allah will test me with every claim I claim. You will be tested. You need to put this clear statement, affirmation. But let me tell you one thing. Don't you think fitna and test is only something I don't like? Test and fitna, the word fitna in the Quran doesn't mean sickness, loss of a loved one, didn't get a job, fired from a job, don't have money. That's one side. You're sick, you're tested. You're healthy, everything is perfect, absolutely tested. You are so beautiful, everybody talk about your beauty. You're tested. And the other woman is not. She's tested. I'm going to give you a hit-home example for the married woman. Your husband is the best husband Allah created. That's a test, absolute test. And the husband is the most difficult one, or a spouse. Both are test. Parents. So your friend parents are anything she wants, they say, they treat her so well, they hug her, they give her she's tested. And your parents is everything not what they should be. You're tested. So do you think you're going to be living on this earth saying, I'm a believer, and you will not be tested? Number one message, each one of us, morning and evening, it's not a one test, we're tested. So when you apply for this college for the youth in here, and you apply to Harvard, and you get this letter from Harvard saying you're accepted, what are you going to do after jumping? Right? Get ready for the test. You're going to be tested. You got the letter and you didn't get accepted, and you are absolutely qualified, but you didn't get tested. You didn't get accepted. Wallahi, it is the same. But we don't look at it this way.